Mrs. Anderson's learning detectives. We're gonna solve a case and learn all the lessons. Mrs. Anderson's learning detectives. We're gonna solve a case and learn all the lessons.
Hello, my little learning detectives. I hope everybody's been doing well. Today we're going to talk about acrostic poetry. I think everybody likes a good acrostic poem, right? It gives you a chance to be creative and think about a specific topic. Do you think to yourself, what do I want to talk about? Spring. I think I want to talk about spring. So then I take the word spring and I put each letter down the left-hand side of the page. And as you can see, it spells out spring. Then you think to yourself, well, what does spring mean to me? Why do I want to write about spring? And with each letter, you write a word or a phrase about that letter that deals with the entire topic. Okay, so let's look at S. So for me, the best thing about spring that starts with an S is that it's sunny. Oh, the sun makes me so happy. It feels so warm and it makes me smile. So for S, I'm writing sunny. So the next letter is P. And to me, spring is pretty. You see all the birds, they're flying. Some of them have red breasts. Some of them are yellow, some of them are blue. They're just so beautiful. There are flowers coming up. Everything, the trees are blooming. So for P is pretty. The R in spring reminds me of running children. Running and screaming and jumping and just enjoying the spring day. The I in spring reminds me of ice cream. The ice cream truck that came by when I was a kid, and everybody would go running to the ice cream truck to get the tasty treats. N is for noises. Like we talked about before, the birds tweeting, but the motorcycles vroom, vroom, and the water. Oh my goodness, the sounds of spring. That's why it's one of my favorite things to talk about. Now the G reminds me of great friends, because in spring, there's plenty of time to be with your friends. So here is my acrostic poem about spring. Sunny, pretty, running, ice cream, noises, great friends. Now, why don't you take a little time to write yours? Have a great day.
We're gonna solve a case and learn all the lessons. Mrs. Anderson's learning detectives.